Alright, so I have this other PlayStation 5 here. I got it as a no power, completely not doing anything. I replaced the power supply because the power supply was absolutely bad. But however, now it's just making noises. That's all it's doing. It's just clicking. It's doing nothing. It's a no power. We replaced the power supply, and now it's doing this, so I decided to make a video. Let's try to fix it. I must also add that this was open before, and it's missing screws, so I don't know if there was extra technician damage that we're going to be looking for. So let's take it apart and see what's... Alright, so I removed a bunch of cables here, just testing it one more time just to make sure. And yeah, it still keeps on just beeping. It just beeps and goes back. So there has to be some sort of short on this motherboard. Let's take it apart and go under the microscope. Just taking a look over this board here, and it's a disaster. Somebody played around with the HDMI chip, and now we don't know what's going on here. What's the problem with this system? Well, before I go searching for everything with my multimeter here, let's go fix the soldering job with this mess and see what happens. You can take a look right here under the microscope. The chip is completely lifted from the top end. So let's reflow. Okay, the chip is looking better here. Let's go to... Same issue. We're still chasing our tail because somebody opened it up. When somebody opens it up, we don't know what the hell happened. What the heck is this that I found here? A missing capacitor and a missing inductor. That's strange. Just replace that inductor and the capacitor? What a bum of a technician that was that worked on this. Let's try. Alright, let's try here. Oh, look at that. We have a blue light and it's turning on. Wow. I just plugged up the HDMI cable. The tester says it's okay. I don't know if we're gonna get anything on the screen here because the HDMI chip was played with, so maybe we need to fix something here. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. It's red on RXC. That means the chip needs to be replaced too. The clock signal is shorted. I'm gonna leave this one right here. I'm gonna have to add a note. That's what happens when you go to some random repair shop for your PlayStation 5 repair. PlayStation 5s is not something for a regular electronic store to work on. You have to go to a specialty shop that repairs PlayStations only. And they messed up his system in this case, and now he has to pay a little bit extra. We're gonna contact the customer and let him know what happened.